favorite YouTuber?
EvanTube.
Your favorite YouTuber is not your dad?
Yeah.
Carter, who's your favorite YouTuber?
Tim Tracker.
Who?
Tim Tracker.
Yeah.
Rochelle, who's your favorite YouTuber?
Oh, you, of course. And then maybe Casey Neistat.
Do it.
Definitely me first?
Definitely you first.
Are you telling?
Casey second.
Oh man, tough love this morning. Tough love. Yeah, can I make a reservation for 7 people? We'd be on our way there now, so probably in 10-15 minutes. Rob Clark. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Nosh reservations are made. Who wants to go to Nosh?
Me. Depends on what they have there.
Nosh again. All right, dude, go in. Yeah, no, you gotta pull. Go in. What do you got there, Carter?
I got again a lentil burger with carrot vanilla soup. The soup is good. If you guys come to Nosh and they have the carrot vanilla soup, get it.
Scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
9.
Whoa, not. All right, so we did go out for lunch today, and we are gonna go out for supper. We're not paying. We get to go with Rochelle's parents again. You wearing those pants, Rochelle?
Oh, a lot of people would, but no.
Okay. All right, who wants to go to Keo's?
Seriously, Dad, you're gonna. Don't. What are you doing?
Bam! All right, let's go. Why are you always so whiny? Every single light on in this place. Good grief. Every single light. Man. Oh my goodness. This light too? How's this for winning the day? Breakfast, church service, out for lunch, then home to relax, maybe a little bit of a nap. Just about hit a bird. Didn't see that coming. And now out for supper at Keo's. Who's excited for Keo's? So let's recap you almost killing a bird.
I don't know, that bird I think wanted to die. It was right in front of my windshield. And, however, that still wouldn't have topped the time you mowed over a like mother duck crossing the highway.
Put some spicy sauce on your roll.
Only for you guys, I'm doing this.
Okay. Do it.
Oh no. I'm gonna put peanut on it. Am I a cat, Dad?
Yeah, you're a cat.
It's blue dog.
All right, the kids are in bed. Couple hours before we go to bed. Well, actually, much sooner for Rochelle to go to bed. A couple hours before I go to bed. Tomorrow, the kids go back to school. Who's excited for kids to go back to school?
Me and Abby. Seriously. You're snacking with this Yo Gabba
That's-
Gabba bowl in our face.
That's not me. I'd like to say how we spend our evenings once the kids are in bed, reading, having deep conversations with one another. That does happen sometimes, and then sometimes this happens. So everyone's in bed, the day is over. Even Luke and his whining is done for the day. Rochelle's in bed. I found out Tony Robbins now has a podcast. Pretty excited about this. So I'm going to listen to a couple episodes and enjoy my sauna.